Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar weave. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow water systems cool from heat. 100 miles an hour on the water shoes. Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game is a superstar. And the Dominator model, man, it's just as hard. Superpower, self-riding, bright colors and all. So you hear it on the water, man, you know they rip. The ESC rotors, props and slick. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxygen Marine, no questions, that's it. Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxygen Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxygen Marine. Yeah.
We've had her up to 120. Let me check the GPS. She hit 95.
So I did 90.
Yeah,
so.
you know what you're doing. What, is that a cheetah?
No, it's a Sanger.
Sanger.
V-drive.
V-drive, okay, sorry.
It's all good.
I just couldn't see it from straight on.
I got a prop, and this fastest is 94.
That's
look at,
plenty
look at.
fast.
I thought that was him in that boat right there. I thought it was him.
There it is.
Is that all electric?
All electric.
Never ever seen anything like that before, ever.
Look at it, it's a little bit.
Yeah, electric. Back in the day, gas was much faster than electric.
Back in the day, yes.
Yeah.
Because it was nitromethane.
Yeah.